Well, hello. Welcome back to all your witches, wizards, and muggles out there. Today is another very excited unboxing. You read the title correctly. We are going for round 2 for the curation of magical curiosities. Participated, curated, I don't know, by Jerry Wallace, but it's Christmas edition. But this was weird because it came with 2 parcels in the one thing. So we'll just have to wait and see what it is. And now I know what you're thinking. The last box I found, it was all right. Did not like the tea. Let's be honest. Oh my God. Do I have a bit of water stain there? Yes, I do. That's all right. I'll just cover it up. Ignore that. It is so hot here. Like, it is ridiculously hot in Australia. It's like 30-something degrees and it's just, ugh. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this unboxing. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe before you leave, and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item is and what you would have done if you were allowed to change something. So let's go ahead and get started. So as I said in the introduction, ignore this wet patch. Just ignore it. So this is what the box looks like. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek. I have a feeling there's a few items I might not like in here. Let's keep it honest. But I'm being respectful. I love Cherry. I've been watching her channel for a good few years now. Both non-magical and magical videos. So I will give you a see. Okay, let's have a look. So the first thing in the box, I'm going to put it on my vanity, is this card that says Happy Christmas, Neville. I want it to be Merry Christmas because that's what we say in Australia. We don't go with Happy Christmas. But anyway, it says, Dear friend, I couldn't rest sending Hedwig ever since the World Cup. The ministry has been intercepting more and more hours and she's too easy to recognise. That's a quote by Sirius Black. I'm just going to let you guys read it. I mean, it's cute. No, it's just very long. She always does very long notes. But, yeah, it's cute. It's cute. What's next? Oh, I hate, you know what I hate? What Cherry calls wiggly worms. I just find they're not, like, they're just so messy. Couldn't there be, like, tissue paper or something instead of these? Because these get in the way all the time and my cat likes to play with them. What do you want, Teasy? She's sitting on my bed. The cat is just the cutest thing in the universe. So this is the first box, by the way. And I just dropped it. So this is what came in this box. Yeah, it's cute. It's a Christmas ornament. I wouldn't put it like so far with this ribbon. That's just what I wouldn't do. And also it conflicts with the wings a little bit. But it's got the Deathly Hallows. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Right here. It's got, I mean, it's cute. It's well designed. I know Cherry has this thing with flying keys, but I don't know. It's not something that I would put with a red ribbon. But it's Christmas ornament. It's cute. Let's move on to the next one. Now, I love Christmas, so I'm very excited to open this. And I recognize it potentially in the Order of the Phoenix in the Christmas scene. When just after Arthur got attacked by Nagini, Fred and George got these gifts. And if I recall, it's a scarf. So I'm going to open this. My cat loves ribbons, so she'll play with that. Oh, God, I really don't want to rip the wrapping paper. Yes, I was right. It's a scarf. Now, here in Australia, it is boiling hot. We actually have a lot of bushfires. There's like 100 and something bushfires going on at the moment. So I won't be using the scarf, but it's cute. It's not exactly like Harry Potter identifiable, so you can wear it like out with pride. Oh, those bloody wiggly worms, I'm sick of them. So it's cute, it's soft, it's got neutral colors. Yeah, I like it. And you can, if you know movie, you would easily identify this as Fred and George. This is what I would wear it as, like this. If I was able to wear scarves, I would wear it like that. But I can't because it is boiling hot. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. Now, Sherry always says good things come in boxes. So let's see what's in this one. So, it comes in packaging, like, so much of this, and I get it's protected. But if you can use this to protect these, couldn't you find something better than wiggly worms? Just saying. But this is a Rememberall, and I love the fact that she created this. But what I would love even more, if it was electronic and if you shaked it, it would turn red. Like, that would have been so cool. But Noble Collection has made one of these, which I'm like, that's like an iconic scene in the books and the movies because it's how Harry was able to get on the Quidditch field. Or the Quidditch team and not being expelled. So I like it. It's made out of plastic, not glass. Yep, I like it. It's cute. It's next. See, this has got bubble wrap. So why couldn't there be tissue paper instead of wiggly worms? I do not know. I'm just trying to be eco-friendly, but point stands. Why use bubble wrap? Just saying. Now, I have a feeling based on the design of this box, it's going to be something Your Ball themed. Which, I mean, there was an item last box. It was a pin, and it was Your Ball themed. So, we'll see what this is and if it's broken. Okay. Again, more bubble wrap, more plastic to protect it. Oh, God. Yep. I was right. It's a Your Ball like pumpkin juice bottle theme, which is cute. There's like a holographic snowball and the bottom of it is like blue. So I guess when you fill it up, it's supposed to turn blue. I like it. It's cute. It's something from like you would see in the movies, and I could display it on my Harry Potter shelf behind me. Maybe in the whole props category. So yeah, I like it. It's cute. What's next? What's next? Oh, so this is Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. I have a feeling it's going to be something about Harry's first year again, because we got two things now. We got the Rememberall and we got this. So let's wait and see. Yep, I was right. So these are like the jumpers, but in glove form. And I think it's so cute. Let's try them on, even though it's like 32 degrees Celsius. So it's boiling hot. Okay. Cute. Best friends. I like it. Kind of wish that we had a bit of a jumper. Just keep it real, but gloves are cute. And they sort of go with the scarf, so I like that. Next one. Okay, so we got another pin. Now, you know my thing about pins. I don't really like pins because I just don't find a use for them unless like there's a Hogwarts house prefect pins and you can pin them to your uniform. But this is like a Harry Potter Christmas version. There's like the scar there. Trying to focus it. And then there's like these jewels that represent the Hogwarts house in like a Christmas wreath with the snitch at the bottom and the H at the top. Hogwarts. Yeah, it's cute. I just don't know where I would put it. What's next? There's I think 3 items left. Oh no, plus the roll, so like 4. So this is what the box looks like. I have a feeling it's a chess piece set because of the box. Doesn't this box remind you of like the chess set pieces? Let's have it. Yep, I was right. I think this was Harry's chess set or Ron's. I'm pretty sure it was Ron's. No, it was Ron's because Ron got the queen to e4 and just went everything. Like, it's cute. It's not exactly like identifiable as Harry Potter, which I think is actually a good idea. I'm still like a die-hard Harry Potter fan. But yeah, it's cute. And it's something that Ron is good at, which is actually kind of funny because he's brilliant strategist. Like, in the books, you actually see him working out with the plans and things like that. So, I like it. Yeah, it's cute. It is made out of, I think it's resin. It's not plastic. I think it's resin, like when they make the same stuff out of the Harry Potter ones. All right, what's next? This is cute. Not exactly my style, but there's a lot of things that actually have to do with Ron in this one, which I kind of like, because Ron is a bit of a misleading character, especially in the 4th and 7th book when he leaves Harry. So to get a few things to identify with Ron, it's actually quite cute. There's Chatterley Cannons on it. You can put like a stick in there to hang it up on the wall. I might hang it up above my bed. What do you reckon? I reckon that'll be cute. Yeah, it's like made out of felt. I like it. What's the next one? Oh, these bloody wiggly ones. I'm sick of them. I don't know if this is the cheat sheet or not, so let's have a look. Oh, these bloody protected packaging. My bin's going to be full today. I have a feeling about this one. It's going to be another Yule theme. Yeah. So it's actually an invitation. And while it is beautiful, I mean, look at the foiling and stuff. That is now 2 items that are Yule themed. I mean, she could have done, added another thing. For example, something from Slughorn's Christmas party, or, you know, like something from the set of the movie, instead of 2 items now. There could be more that are identifiable as Yule Ball. So a little bit disappointed. I would prefer this over this. But this is what it looks like on the inside anyway. It's cute. It's got all these silver balls. There's silver foiling and stuff. So yeah, a little bit disappointed that we got a second item regarding that theme, but it's a cute replica, so. Alright, next, last thing in the box is the print and the cheat sheet. So this is a print, it's a howler. I don't know what this has to do with, like, it's supposed to be a Christmas edition. So I don't really know what howlers are meant to be for Christmas, but Cherry, I remember Cherry saying she wanted to do another print because she did her Mandrake print. Again, I don't find useful prints, so I don't know how I really feel. I would have loved this in a paper replica version more than a print. Just keeping it honest. So the last thing is in this fancy tube. God, I can't get it open. Ah, here it is. Some poster. I hope it's a proclamation decree. I really do. If it's another Yule Ball thing, I'm going to lose mine. Yep. It's another Yule Ball item. So that is 3 items that were Yule Ball themed. And it's very disappointing, really. I would have loved it if it was like a Slughorn's Christmas invitation party or replica or something that's designed around Slughorn. But this is what it is. It's cute. It's nice quality, but it's 3 items now. 1, 2, 3 that are Yule Ball, and she could have made a lot more in regards to the films. Like she could have done, as I said, Slughorn's Christmas party, or something more like with serious, like those exploding crackers. Something in the 3rd one, like a miniature fireball, which Sirius gave Harry for Christmas in the books. So a little bit disappointed in this. I really am. Like, she could have done a lot more. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but she could have done a lot more. So let's go on to my favorite item in this box. Now, it's safe to say, I think my favorite one has to be this Rememberall and the chess piece. I think it's cute because there's not a lot of merch regarding around Neville and regarding around Ron. It's mostly around, you know, Harry, Hermione, and everyone else. Yes, Ron does have a few things here and there, and so does Neville, but to actually have props representing them, I think it's a really gorgeous idea, and it shows inclusivity. And I find those characters sort of don't get included a lot. I don't know why. That's just how I feel. The thing I don't really love the most, probably, as I said, the pin. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. It's nice, it's good quality, but what am I going to do with it? And maybe the prints as well, because again, I don't find prints enjoyable unless it's something I actually like, and I would like this, but in an actual paper replica form. So again, I think it's a hit and miss. Maybe also I don't really like the flying key as well. I know she has this thing about flying keys, as I keep saying, but I mean, what's this got to do with Christmas? She could have done, like, I don't know, something different than this. There's just so much more potential. Like, I would have added something more, as I said, I would have done something from Slughorn's Christmas Party, like the hourglass, a miniature version of it, or I would have done like an invitation replica for that. And instead of having 3 Yule Ball items, I'm slightly disappointed in that retrospect. Like, I don't know, there's just so much more she could have done, and I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a strong box? Do you think it's better than the last one? I personally think it's better than the last one. But just 3 items out of 11 revolving around your ball is just a much of an overkill. So let's go over with the cheat sheet, which is all the way past the wriggly worms. So the first one was the Molly Weasley knitted scarf. Which I was right, was from Fred and George. And this was the flying key ornament because she loves them. And then the next was the wizard chest piece. Yep, I was right. It's a wizard chest piece. Howler artwork. Yep. Remember all. I was right. I just wish this was electronic, so you shake it and then it'll turn red. Like, I reckon that'd be such cool. Then there's like 3 Yule Ball things. I really don't know. And they're both designed by Danny from Muggle Magic DIY. So I'm going to show you what this says so you guys can read it. Don't know how to. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. I'm always replying comments to whoever leaves them. Again, I love these 2 the best. I just think they're just so cute. They're not classified as Harry Potter, really. Only a true hard fan would know that these are Harry Potter. And it just represents Ron and Neville. And I think that's a gorgeous idea. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.